Today we'll see how to use EOD analyzer, OI bus and bank analysis. Bank analysis is a feature where you can analyze all the major bank constituencies at one place and see how they are performing it. EOD analyzer is a feature where you can analyze end of the day open interest data and determine the long-term trend of the market. And OI bus is a feature where you get a heat map based on open interest. Let's see how it works. EOD open interest analysis. It is a feature where you do analysis based on price as well as open interest on EOD data. This feature is helpful for interpreting overall long-term trend of the market, and this would be very helpful for a swing trader or positional traders. Let's see how we are decoding this data using OI Pulse. For that, log in into OI Pulse, click Futures tab. Under that, you have EOD OI analysis. Once you click, it would be like this, and here you can select Nifty, Bank Nifty or any symbol which you wanted to do a end of the day analysis, and here you have current month or next month or farm month, which data you wanted to be seen here, and action button. If you wanted to refresh, you can click here. Okay, date, total OI for the particular contract, day open, high, low, and what is the volume traded in that day, LTP, last traded price on that day, days range. This is a range of the day, high and low, LTP change comparing to yesterday, OI change comparing to yesterday, LTP change percentage it is, OI change percentage, and it is daily time frame open interest interpretation. So if you take today, it was a long unwinding, yesterday it was a long build up. So here we have given interpretation, and this data is a current month's data. For example, if you go to 27th or 26th, it would be a current month data, that is previous month data of current month would be populated day, and this is a current month data. And one thing you have to remember here, whenever there is a rollover on that day, you will have a huge OI change on current contract. For example, here last month, that is April 27th was the expiry, monthly expiry, and if you see on 28th, the open interest change is 74%. This is not an exact change. This change is because of rollover. So when you are doing this data analysis, always check whether it is a rollover open interest data change or regular open interest data change. And if you wanted to check overall cumulative open interest data analysis like current month, next month and farm month all put together, here we have one option called show cumulative OI data. If you tick mark that, and this analysis is for combining everything, means current month, next month and farm month. Here where we had 75% rollover, and if you see here it is 31% because we are adding current, next and far all put together. Now, how to use this EOD OI analysis for determining the trend? For that, always check whether you have 2 or 3 consecutive long build-up or short build-up data, so that you can easily determine whether market is going to go up or go down. And not only determining whether it is long build-up or short build-up, always check for a percentage change in OI and percentage change in LTP. If the percentage change in OI is significant as well as percentage change in LTP is also significant, and that short build-up or long build-up is very strong. If the percentages are very less, and even though the percentage is very less and it is showing long build-up or short build-up, it may not be that strong as when you have with higher percentage. Always check percentages as well as interpretation put together. OI bus. This is a feature where we show heat map based on open interest as well as price change. So usually heat map you would be seen only based on price, and you will not know what is happening inside that strike on open interest and all. So OI bus has solved that problem, giving all the open interest data as well as price data in one screen. For that, log into OIPulse, go to futures data and click OIBus. Here, once you click OIBus, it would be in live mode. Okay, so today's data you can see. On the top, you can see advance and decline numbers, and on the bottom, you have a heat map here. So if you hover your cursor whichever stocks you wanted, on that stock, you will find OI build-up interpretation, whether it is long build-up or short build-up or short covering like that, and change percentage, how much the LTP has changed for the day, days open, high, low, and LTP price. So these are the data you will be getting once you hover your cursor on the stock. And if you wanted to check any historical data on OIBus, you can click historical data and select which date you wanted. So click on historical data, and here you have an option for checking Nifty 50 or Bank Nifty. So if you click Bank Nifty, it will show the advanced decline numbers for Bank Nifty and the heat map only for Bank Nifty. Okay. And the search button will help you to search a specific stock. For example, if I wanted to search SBI, can you see SBI has changed 0.25% and it is in short build-up like that. If you are a Bank Nifty trader, it is always important to analyze what is happening across the major Bank Nifty weighted stocks and how they are performing it. For doing that better, we have given all the major contributors of Bank Nifty at one place where you can easily analyze at one go. Okay. For that, log into OIPulse. Under Futures tab, you have Bank Analysis. If you click Bank Analysis, it opens like this. Here you have live data or historical data and which date it has been selected and time interval. You can do analysis based on time interval like 3 minutes, 5 minutes and up to 60 minutes. Okay. And for example, if we are keeping it for 60 minutes here. So on 60-minute time frame, the HDFC is in short covering and ICICI Bank is in short covering, Axis Bank is in short covering and SBI is in short covering. Here, one thing we can see, all the major contributors of Bank Nifty are under short covering. So the trend may or may not continue. If everything was in long build-up or majorly was in long build-up and remaining was in short covering, we can easily told the trend may continue. Here everything is in short covering. So we may predict that trend may not continue to the great extent. Okay. And this is how the overall bank analysis work. Okay. So everything would be in one glance for you. And if you see this percentage, first percentage, it is day wise LTP change. For the day, the overall LTP compared to yesterday's close, HDFC is in positive 0.75%. And next one is a day wise open interest change percentage. For example, the open interest compared to yesterday's close and current open interest, this percentage has been determined. If you hover your mouse near this icon, here you will see the interpretation. Day wise change in LTP, day wise change in OI and interval wise interpretation. So I will repeat, day wise change in LTP price, day wise change in open interest percentage, interval selected, whatever interval you have selected here, that interval wise open interest interpretation. Hope you have learned something new in this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos in our channel. Keep learning and earning.